If I ghost you, it means I don't like you and I don't want to have any more contact with you. I do it consciously. If I go on hiatus, it means that I have a life and you're not a part of it. You've been deprioritized. I have other things that are happening. I hope that I can help you not fall into that hiatus status, especially with people that you enjoy being around. My name is Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. Now, here's what I'd recommend for you. Here's what I recommend. Focus on these three major things, three major categories, and try to see where you have some overlap and be intentional about connecting on those. Your history, something that has happened, that your identity that has brought you together. Whatever it is, see what overlaps with you and your friend. Your hobbies, the things that you like to do for fun, focus on those. And your habits, what is it that you do on a daily basis that helps you get where you're going in life? You can connect with them on those